Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the recents. All you have to do is to tap on the trash bin icon. Now we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents, and actually that was a misclick. Let me tap on it, and finally we've got this information. So let's open the recents, and here we've got no recent apps, which means that we just successfully closed all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.